So the other day I got a package in the mail from IKEA that my uncle helped me buy, and I don't want to say it just yet because I think it looks really nice and I'm excited to set it up. So without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. First of all, if you didn't realize, this thing is huge, and there's this other thing that comes with it that you also have to set up. I don't know if what you need is mostly in this box or that box. Elizabeth, box cutter. Thanks. Help, Elizabeth. The other side. If you didn't realize, this thing is a desk. And I'm gonna need help cleaning it out. And then actually, a really big desk. Here it is, in all of its beauty. So once we're done with this, we're gonna move on to that. Trying my best to talk because this video does not have a script. So these are the instructions for the table legs, and I know I'm gonna take the time to read that. Let's just move on to this next package. Oh my god. Help. Elizabeth. We have the legs now, and I feel like this is going to take a little while, so as soon as I snap my fingers, we'll just move to when it's done. So the desk is now all set up. That was probably not the best transition you've ever seen, but it's good. And we're gonna go move it to its permanent space, and then gonna start working on it from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, Unbox.